Hello ancient ones, how are you doing? I'm back with another video. In this video we'll be writing a polyfill for like simple function called filter, simple array method called filter. Okay, so basically I have a data here, an array with a number of like many objects with the name of a random country and its population. It's not a statistical data, it's purely made up data. Okay, Austria doesn't have 606 people. Okay. Okay, so what I want to do is now I need to make a polyfill. So how does this filter function basically work? So filter function works over condition. We pass a function, and we also pass a condition. Like we say that if this condition is met, then return. Okay, rest all items, don't return them. So now what I'll do is I'll just add a prototype method here, array dot prototype. Okay, array dot prototype dot our own, we are doing it a long time, our own filter is equals to function. Now we should get a hang out of it, like how to add methods to the array object itself. So in this function we'll be taking a callback, and okay, what's this? Okay, we'll be taking a callback, and as I told you, filter method takes two things as the parameters here, and other one is the context. So I don't know why it's in caps lock, and never mind, it's in caps. Context. Yes. So what this context is basically in which environment this callback should run. Okay. In for loop I'll be once again doing this, and then this is common. I think you should get a hang out of it right now. Like we have been doing this for like 2-3 videos right now. So what I'll say is I'll put a condition here. Okay, call back. What I should do is I should call a function, and I should check for a condition. Okay, so I'll be calling a callback using this call method, which in another context. Okay, like the provided context, the context that is provided by the user, or like one who is using. So in that context, call this, and these are the like first one is the context itself, I mean the environment, and the second one is the argument types. Okay, now the first one will be this index, I mean the item itself. So the next one will be index, and next one will be the array itself. So we'll be calling that we'll be calling that callback function in the provided context. If not provided, it will be undefined, and we'll be calling normally like over the call of array. Okay, so this now what we should do is, now if this passes the test, if this returns true, if this function returns true, all this call returns true, then we should also actually create a temporary array here. Temp add is temporary array to store the values, and we'll be returning a new array. So temp array dot push, we'll just push the item itself. We don't push anything. Index, again, what's wrong? Index, yeah. So we'll just push this one and return temporary array. So out of this for loop, all we'll do is return temporary array. Okay, this should work fine. Okay, so I'll just like const filtered array, okay, and I'll just run this on this function. Okay, filtered array, our own filter. Now remember, I need to provide a callback first of all. Okay, I need to provide a callback here. Let me just write a normal function here, and I'll get an item. Okay, remember the item here is an object, an object with these properties, an object with these properties. So 1 second, yeah. So we have the name and the population. I just want to return the object, return true if the population is greater than say 700. Okay, like if the population is greater than 700, and I'll also console.log this array because I just want to show you it's filtered. Array.length, okay, the past data array, and then after this I'll just wanna console log this one. Okay, console log filtered array dot length. First of all, you'll just see the length. Now I hope it should work. Population is not defined. Yes, it is not defined because I should call item dot population because it's an object, right? So see, now the initial array length is this one at line 83, it is 20 and it is 12. Now I'll just console log this complete array itself so that you can see it. Oh yeah, I did not save it. Yep. So you can see here every population is greater than 700. Okay, I'll just go 900 just because see it's greater. So basically our filter method is now working perfectly. Now we can confidently say that this is the polyfill for filter method, which we have this array dot filter this method. So yeah, we have made 3 polyfills till now and we'll be doing them. And yep, as we haven't provided the context here, it is undefined. Okay, here we'll have undefined. Okay, in this case because I haven't provided any context, like because I have already an environment, an object in my item itself, so why will I provide a context? If like I'll be providing a context if I have a generic function which abstract function which runs which I will be reusing, and then I may provide the context, but most of the cases this is it. Okay, so yep, this is it for this video. Thank you, and if you like my videos, just subscribe, man. Okay, and like, and